you are doing well. This is Patrick Egan, the channel Patrick Egan. So today we are doing our part 2 series of the cold room expansion project. So we are here with the manager, site manager. How are you? I'm good. I can see finally we are at the roof stage.
Now we are at the roof stage.
Yes.
Last time we were doing the walling. Come to be in the last minute. But now we're doing
So we are going to have a look at what has been happening all that time. Then we can be able to have a talk with the site manager later on. So as you can see, the guys has already at the roof. We are doing a gable roof. This one is just joining the other extension which was existing. Then from there we have a stone wall on this end. You can see this one goes all the way up. But inside the house we just have our ceiling made from the polystyrene pallets. That will be it. So let's focus on the other hand so that we can have a better view of the So you can see we promised that we are going to do an expansion of 8 meters by a height of 2.7 and a width of 4. 3 and a width of 3. So as you can see, this height is just one course and will be between the 2.7 meters height. The length is okay. All the civil construction work of the stone one has been done except one course. Then the length has already been matched with the existing building, so that basically is let's say 70% done, because whatever remains from the wet works in this stage is just plastering. Key has already started. We'll do building here. Then inside we are going to do terrazzo. We are going to give you a quick view of what is happening at the inside end of it. But basically what we wanted to say today is how we have been able to integrate the roofing. So we did a gable roof hanging to the initial roof so that we have a good picture. So by the time we are coming to have the part 3, when we'll be having a look at all the wet works in the structure, we are going to have a better and a clearer view. So congratulations, Bwana Site Manager. I can see you keep your promises. So you said part 3 you are going to do all the wet works will be done?
all the work will be done. Relocation of the electrical, and we also relocated some of the units, the AC units, and we can do an additional AC units.
Good. So basically, for those maybe you didn't hear clearly, so part 3 we are going to see 1, all the wet works will be done. That is we are going to do keying here, we are going to do plastering inside, we are going to do the floor. Then B, we are going to have all the electrical units that have been transferred now, should be transferred, so that you can have a better view to analyze on that. Is that we have 1 unit on this end, we have the 6,000 units here. Then we have 48,000 units here. We have 2 options. So we have option A is to have 1 unit of 48,000 BTU, or option B is to have 24,000 units of BTU. So I think we'll go for option B because of system redundancy. We'll make that decision when it comes. Then we have the other units on the other hand. So that is it. Let's go inside and have a better view. As you can see already, we are starting to move the electrical the units. That is the AC units. This is a 22,000 BTU unit. We have 2 of them. Then we have the main electrical board supplying all the units. this is starting to move. So by the time we begin part 3, all this will be done. Lois, anafanya ni hapa.
Now we go.
So we have plenty of work ongoing here. As you can see, we promise you that this one now is just awaiting plastering. Or this one has been integrated well. That's it. So there is some work which are ongoing here. Maybe I need to explain to you what is happening. This is our existing wall, which was made of stones. Then between the stones we have another material, and then the steel works. The stainless steel. So the initial column we have there is made of stainless steel. Then the stainless steel is surrounded by stone walling. Then between the stone walling and the stainless steel we have a thin plaster. Which material? Oh, this is a thin concrete plaster. So what we have done is we are removing the stones. You can see also these are the stone, the boot stones. We remain with a thin plaster inside. So this is just after this thin plaster. If you want to remove this one, you are going to get the steel plates, which are the stainless steel, which make the cold room which initially existed. But so that you can be able to integrate the two without affecting the normal operations, because this is an extension which is ongoing in our plant which is active. We are just removing the stone walls. Then when we are ready, when we'll be finalizing, that is when we'll now remove this and integrate. At that time, this one will have already moved, and all the other units, all the wet works and all that will be done. So that is it basically. I think we're going to do it. Yes. When our site manager, you promised to deliver part 3.
Yeah.
How many days or weeks?
I think the next 1 week or so.
The next 1 week or so. So in the next 1 week or so, we should be able to have part 3 of this. Thank you so much for giving us your time. Until next time, keep it safe.